Hello YouTube, Dr. Sola coming to you from Asheshe in Ogun State. So, in my quest for perfection, I made them take the panels down and they're putting it up so that it's properly aligned. So, it didn't look right to me and I insist on it getting done properly. So, the guys have moved it. This is the third or fourth time I'm making them move it, but hopefully this is the last time. So, as you could see, we're trenching. And this is where our cables will go. We have 3 strings coming down from here and we go through here. Say hi. She's one of us. So this is, we're having all this removed. We'll dig it a little deeper and take it to the back. So we're going to run a lot of cable. Let me show you where else we're trenching. And then I will show you the cables we have so far. So here again, from here all the way to back there, as you can see, our pipe is already submerged in water, so we have to figure out a way how to address that so we don't get our, even though we have insulated cables, we need to figure out a way. This is from people washing cars, so we need to figure out how to get around that. Our string will come down from here, we'll puncture the wall. So we'll crack the wall, put our pipes in the wall, and then trench down this way. And then I'll show you where the cables will come out. So here are cables, our PV cables. We've got a lot of it. We've even unrolled it already, all the way down there. And then here are bus bars. These are DC bus bars, right?
Yeah,
that's
DC bus bars.
How many amp could this have? 2000 amp DC bus bars. And then this is AC?
AC, yeah.
How many amps? 250 amps. Can I have one of those breakers I just gave you? Okay, Cleopatra is sitting on our AC cables.
DC.
Oh, those are PV. No, what she's sitting on is PV cable. And this is what, PV2? Wow, that's all PV cable. Oh, sorry. And then this is our AC cable.
Yeah.
Armored cable. How thick it is. So these are AC cable. All this is DC cable. We're going to use this trunking, but we're not going to use it anymore. It wouldn't do what we want. Those are the 4 panels left for us to mount. I'm going to go inside and show you what the carpenter is doing, and I'll also show you where the cables will come out. So the cables are going to come out there. Let me get there and then show you. So the cables will come out from here, and from here we'll pull them into here, which is where the power room is, and I'm going to take you into the power room so you can see the work so far being done by the carpenter. So this is the wood that we're going to use, a lot of it. That's the wood. And let me show you what the build-up of the frame, and then we'll take it from there. Let me go back in and show you. So this is as the frame is beginning to take shape. Okay, so that's Mr. Tunde the carpenter. Wave your hand. Okay, so he's the guy who is going to put this magic together, and when it's done, I'm going to be happy, right? Am I going to be happy, Mr. Tunde? Okay. So we have quite a lot of stuff. These are DC breakers. So we're going to have six of them. And 6 times 250 amps. You see they're 250 amps each. 6 times 250 is 1,250 amps in breaker capacity. We have our AC breakers. I think we're using 300. We're using 300 amp breakers on the AC side, right?
Yes.
Okay, 300 amp breakers on the AC side. So right now everything looks rough. You can't quite place it, but by the time we're done, this is going to be beautiful. So the guys who are doing that job, so this is actually containers, 2 containers side by side, and what they're doing is they've cut holes for bolts, and the bolts are going through here to secure the wood on the other side. So they've done that on each side here. There's another set here. So that's what they've done. So you see there are 3 holes on each side, and then all the way extending into the other room that's supposed to be the bathroom. So this is what's going to secure our inverters that are going to be mounted. So hopefully sometime today or tomorrow We start mounting the inverters and running the wires. Here are our ABB AC breakers. We have two of these, one on the input side and one on the output side. So our generator and grid input will come in on one side, and then the inverter will output on the other side. So here are the panels over the powerhouse. I think I showed it to you already before. So hopefully by Monday I'll have a better update for you. Once again, this is Dr. Solar coming to you from Asheshe, Ogun State, Loveworld Camp. If you like what you see, give me a thumbs up. If you had to subscribe, please click the subscribe button.